Foi sem querer que ouvi, mas com querer me fizeste sentir assim. Não foi por bem, nem foi.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that the Lord has blessed you guys immensely. I am back with a new video. So I have a new one from Wiggins Hair. And if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. So as you guys can see, I did decide to pick up a lace frontal wig. My wig is 22 inches. It has these beautiful Burmese curls and they're so gorgeously bouncy. You guys look at that hairline. It has that 13 by 4 inch lace. The knots are pre-bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked, ready to go. You just need to trim off the lace. It does have the removable adjustable elastic band. But as usual, I like to go ahead and put my wig on a canvas block and just kind of prep it just a little bit. You don't have to do too much. I'm just taking a little bit of gel, brushing everything back, though it doesn't need it. You guys can see how gorgeous this hairline already is. However, I want it to stay that way. So I add a little bit of gel. I place an elastic band around that, let that dry. Now I'm putting a little bit of my edge wax stick and I'm going through it with my hot comb just to kind of get rid of any lumps or bumps or anything like that and to smooth everything out. You guys can see the curls. They are gorgeous. They don't need much prepping. However, I will take a little bit of water and mousse just along the areas that have frizzed up a little bit, and I'm just going to redefine those parts. Super simple, doesn't take much work.
Pensando que me lava a situação. Sinto que tenho de parar.
So I let the wig sit and dry for a few hours. Everything is ready to go. You guys can see those bouncy curls. The hairline is nice and dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a sharp pair of shears and just trim off the lace around the hairline. You guys can just use the hairline to guide you in order to get the perfect cut. Now you guys do notice that the lace is a little too light for my skin tone, so I like to take my Ebin tinted lace spray, spray that all over. Make sure you use a blow dryer to dry that out and you guys can get a nice color tone, so therefore it'll melt right in with your skin tone. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on and see what we're working with. So I'm going in with my Got To Be Glued spray and I'm just going to spray that outside of the lace. This is just my method on how I get my units to melt down. I don't like to really go in and glue it down. However, just spraying it on top of the lace works for me. Gonna go ahead and dry that out using my blow dryer, and while that's getting nice and melted in, I'm gonna use a little bit of my wax stick and my hot comb just to smooth everything out to where it is conformed with my head shape. So I noticed that I developed a little bit of frizz, so I'm going in using a little bit of water followed by my wet and wavy curl cream, and I'm going to redefine these curls. I really wanted a nice defined bouncy look on these Burmese curls, so therefore I am using my Felicia Leatherwood defining brush and I'm just going in and redefining those curls. You guys see how easily these curls clump together. It is like eye candy. I just love watching the curls redevelop and how smooth they are. You guys just look at them. So this is what the hair looks like wet. This is the frizzy dry part. I'm going to go in and use my diffuser to get a little bit of volume and some bounciness. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Once again, spraying the hair down using a little bit of water, applying a little bit of my wet and wavy curl cream. I did use a little serum just to help with the shine. And then I'm going to brush through the curls using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And then I'm going to go in using my diffuser to dry the hair and get some nice, gorgeous, bouncy curls. Took about 10 minutes per side, but my hair is finally dry. The lace is melted down. You guys can get a nice little look on what this is looking like. I'm going to go in using a little bit of powder just to tone down the lightness around the edges to make everything look nice and fluid. Then I'm using a little bit of powder to place into the part to make that parting space pop and look like actual scalp. Then I'm taking my hair pick, just going to pick out the curls to add a little bit of volume. Y'all see these curls? These curls are literally giving me so much life and I'm here for it. But y'all, get into this hair. Like, look at it. It is so soft. I can't get enough of these curls. Now you can get some more volume the more that you pull the curls apart, but I really wanted to keep that definition. You guys can see how shiny these curls are. Just gonna give you guys a quick little 360 so that you guys can look at all angles and look at those spirals. Like, this hair curled up so beautifully. Like, look at it. Once again, if you guys prefer more volume and fluffiness, you guys can really go in and finger comb out these curls, but I was just here for the definition, like literally. Now you guys look at the hairline. Once again, you do get a lot of parting space. This is a 13 by 4 inch lace. It literally looks like a 13 by 6. Like, look at that part. Now you guys can reposition the part because you have so much lace. If you guys want to wear this in a side part, you guys have that option. And I think that I want to wear this unit in a side part. So I'm just going to part off this hair, and I wanted a nice curved part. I'm going to use a little bit of my wax stick, my hot comb, just to kind of get rid of that initial center part. And then yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a side part, get a little bit of baby hairs going to give this a different little look. Alright you guys, so this is what this unit looks like with the side positioned part. I definitely am liking all the volume. Y'all can see I'm feeling myself, the little edge swoop that I did. This hair is giving me all kinds of life, and you guys can see you still have tons of parting space even with this unit being in a side part. And y'all can definitely put this up in a ponytail, a high ponytail. The options are endless. However, y'all know me, I'm a middle part girly, so I'm going to put this wig back in the middle part. So once again, you guys do check out Wiggins. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. Y'all let me know what you guys think about this one and whether you'll be picking this one up for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Have a blessed one.